Kadetoy anti-logistics na apo, we still have not finished gathering the data, but that is actually, I already talked to the mayor about this, and he actually instructed me to present logistics apo about kadetoy met effect iti pamolinawen right after. Isong kadetoy after all the activities kadetoy February through the health apo kadetoy na dumadung mga stakeholders tayo, hotels, and even the arrivals at the airport, maalan to amin digijay nga datos, tapno no mailatag, ken makita tayo met no ana iti epekto when implication na dito panang celebrar tayo iti Pamolinawen Festival in terms of tourism and in terms of the economy as well. Ken no anapay iti naging epekto na iti sabali-sabali nga sektor apo. All the data and hopefully the logistics baka sa amin to mairugin apo nga may use what right after the whole activity of the whole month.